Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Carly and this is Carly's Crafts and Interests. Today we're going to be making candle melts that you can use just like a candle, only that they're smaller. And I have already melted candles wax that looks like this. You can use these kind, or you can use the beads that the wax beads. Both will work. Now for this, I have already melted some candle wax in this. As you see, it's steaming. And I use cotton candy for this particular batch, and some food coloring. So now that I have it all done, turn off my stove here for a minute. I'm going to take this and we're going to carefully pour actually I should move over from my stove. So we're going to move over here. And we're going to pour into our little guys. And then I'm going to just set my thing aside. Now these need to cool a little bit. You can't just take them out. Otherwise, they'll be too hot and they might fall apart on you. So I'm going to let them just cool a second. And when they start to change color, I know that they are cool enough that I could pop them out of their little frames, or their molds. And so while they do that, I can how is your Halloween season going? Anyone who's watching my channel, is it going well? Are you a Halloween person, or are you not so much into it? I like it for the classic Halloween things. I'm alright with pumpkins. I'm alright with even skeletons and witches and stuff. I'm not a horror person, and I wish they didn't put horror movies at the time of Halloween, because it's not something I like. It's not a genre that I'm into at all. Which is kind of interesting because I am a mystery fan. I have been for years, since I was 12. And I can, have a detective discover a body that's been, somebody did, that they killed in a book, and be fine with that. But I'm not into all the psychological, scary stuff. And our weather is starting to turn cold as well. How about yours? We're going to get snow this week. I don't know if it's going to be on the ground or just in the mountains, but we're going to be getting snow at least a couple days. So that's interesting, We get snow. Our winters kind of come early for us. We kind of get it like a week or so of genuine fall, and then we get winter until at least May, and I'm not making that up. We can see it can be cold up until then, and then we get our summer a little bit, and then it goes back to what it is. We don't even have really a spring so much. Wish we did, because I like spring. I like all of them, the different seasons. I'm not so much a winter fan though, of course, because we get a lot of snow and it's very cold and pretty annoying to get out of your driveway and stuff. Now I'm going to get something to put. There's a couple that are ready, and so I'm going to get a couple out. I'm trying to think. I will use this bowl that we're not really using. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you take your mold. And it pops up. If any you got was extra, you can gently either move it out, snip it out if you would like to. And there you are. This is candy corn scented. I have a variety of scents, and you can pick up a lot of scents. Amazon has a pretty good variety of different scents you can buy, of different themes, different scents, and I enjoy getting my scents from there. They're pretty reliable. And so that is our little craft today. Making little candle melts that you can melt on your candle melter. As a review for this craft, you'll need a little candle mold. You can also use this for soap if you would like to. You can use these molds are great because you can use them for multiple different types of projects and different things. It's not just for candles. It can be for even for chocolates if that is your thing as well. And you'll need something like this. You'll need your wax, of course, either in the beads kind or the stick kind, up to you. And if you want, to look nice and smell nice, you'll want some colors. You don't have to just have the orange that I did. You can have dark blue if you would like. And I got my scents here. This is another scent. This is purple. And you have different types of scents. So you can do these for different occasions. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. I would love you to support this channel. I like to support this. It's not very big, as you know, but I would like to change that and to grow it. And with your help, I can. And so please subscribe and like the channel. I would really appreciate it. This craft itself, I would just like to say, is not for kids because you're using the stove, you're using wax, but they can observe. That would be acceptable to do, but it's mainly they watch the parent do the craft because it can be a little bit, you don't want them to burn themselves on the stove doing this. I hope you have a great day, and stay tuned for more craft videos. I do crafts, I do book reviews. Sometimes you'll see my cats doing funny things in shorts. I do that kind of thing, and hope to see you again, and have a great day.